The song Awake My Soul by Hillsong Worship from their album Awake is it's a really beautiful song. It kind of has this moving arpeggio. Electric guitar, we just have a couple volume swell sort of things to do, and then we're just cranking away with more of some, first like a gallop strum, and then we're kind of just following up. So real simple stuff. There's definitely more than two guitars playing on this one. So for if you have two electric guitars, one can do the part I teach, the other part can just kind of hit big, open, growly chords will really help fill that out. But it works just fine alone with the electric guitar as is. The acoustic guitar is going to be capoed on the 3rd fret, and we have a very small part to play in the actual recording. However, in the solo acoustic section, we really go over how to take that piano part and put it on a guitar in a way that really feels like it's still a guitar part. So it's a lot of fun to play, so go ahead and tune up, watch the music video, and let's get started.
Here's faith.
First come in on this little light interlude. It's going to sound like this. It's a real quiet part. It's kind of half volume swelled. It's a real kind of feel thing. I'm going to turn off the effects here so you can really hear what's going on. And we're going to leave out the swells as well. And you can see on your music there. Now, here's the thing that's tricky with this song. As I mentioned in the intro, it's like 127 beats per minute because that's like the full speed. But a lot of it kind of runs at halftime. So we're still going to count it like 1, 2, 3, 4, but it almost feels like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it kind of has a little bit of a different feel. So however you want to count it works. Just make sure you play it in time. But essentially, we're going to kind of lock ourselves in position here on lead verse 1. You're going to have your ring finger on the 7th fret of the D, pointer on the 5th of the G, and pinky on the 8th of the B. And we're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So just arpeggiate that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we do a volume swell. This is like a real clear one on that next measure, just holding down the G and the B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Then you can see on that second line, we start again, same spot, but this time we just hold that. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So once again, that second line, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to the 8th fret. Pluck it again. Back to that 5th fret. And then we just finish out like so. So one more time, all together without the effects, it's going to sound like this. 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. But you kind of swell into it a little bit, kind of feel it out with all your reverb and delays in there, and it really kind of is a nice little part underneath. So go ahead and try that along with the loop, and let's go on to that next section. 2, 3, 4.